welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this rainbow sparkly slime. It's really nice. Nice weather we're having, isn't it? Kind of rainy, but it's actually kind of nice, kind of calming. Let's put it back in here. Get the cap on this one. I have this one. This one actually reminds me of Christmas because of like the texture of it. And I figured out a new way to poke slime. Like, this is just like my opinion. I just like it. I'm gonna see if I can make a good bubble. Oh yeah. See, doesn't that not look like ice though? Like, to me that just looks like ice. Like, I love it. This is definitely going to be my Christmas slime. It is super duper good. Now, I don't know if you guys know what moon dough is, but moon dough is kind of like a clay type thing. So I took it and added it to some blue slime. And I made this really good cloud dough. It is so good. Watch this. Let me get it into a ball. Ready? That is super satisfying. Like, comment below if you think that this is satisfying. I think it's really satisfying, to be honest. I think it's really satisfying. Okay, so this one's like definitely my favorite. I give it a 9. Definitely a 9. So while I'm playing with this one, I call this one my Ocean Jiggly. So this is like my jiggly slime. And it reminds me of like the ocean. Because I mean, like, I wonder what would happen if I took a little bit of this cloud dough and just kind of like took some of this ocean and just kind of like mixed it. Slime smoothie right now, y'all. It's okay. I'm just gonna mix it into the big blob. What's it gonna hurt, y'all? Super duper nice. Okay. So I'm gonna give a couple shout outs. Shout out to Sarah, Josiah, Z and M, Hannah, Carly, Jacob, Caleb, Hope, Martha, and Austin. So about Austin, he has a YouTube channel called Austin Taylor Outdoors. Go check that out, you guys. Go share the love with him. Like and subscribe to his channel. Like and subscribe to mine. Comment. Turn on the notifications so every time I upload a video, you guys will see it. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys next time.